Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Osaka OS 528 Slim Pro LED video light combo. It comes in this carry bag. There are a lot of things inside outside the video light. This is a combination pack. We will take a look what's inside. This is a carry bag that comes with these straps as well. Now let's take a look inside. There you go. As you can see, a lot of components here. This is the LED light, and there are a lot of other components as well. This is the power adapter. This is also a ultra fast digital battery charger from Osaka. You also have a video battery and a set of cables. This is the power cable basically. So let's quickly take a look at each of them. Let's show you these. So right on top you have this power adapter and this power cable for this particular power adapter. This, as you'll notice, this plug over here will go in this port on the adapter, and this is what you'll use to power your light basically, or charge your light. Some specifications are mentioned here. The model is OS0904. Input is 100 to 240 volts, which is pretty standard for most households, and output is 9 volts to 4 amperes. This is the power adapter and power cable. Now let's take a look at the battery charger and the battery itself. So there you go. This is the Osaka OS 1500D battery charger, and this is the battery in question. This is a video battery. The model number is, I'll show you what the model number is. The model number is NPH750. There you go. This is the NPH750, and this is the OS 1500D. So this is also part of the combo. It comes with this power cable as well. So this you will attach over here, like so, and then you plug it to a power source when you want to charge the battery. And this battery is designed for this kind of charger. Rather, this charger has been designed for this kind of battery, and it fits just right over here. Also notice that there are some indicators over here as well that will tell you how much the percentage of the charge in the battery at a given moment. And now let's take a look at the OS 528 Slim Pro LED video light. There's some information on the box. It says max power is 30 watts. It's dimmable. It comes with 528 LED lamps. There are 528 LED lamps in this particular video light. Input is 8.4 volts. Color temperature is 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. It's adjustable. And it's compatible with a lot of different batteries like F970, F770, F570, F550. What we have here is this is basically a 750. As you can see, an F750 battery. This is also compatible with this particular light. Maximum illumination is 2450 lux, and that's about it. It comes with dual power input, strong rotary bottom shoe mount, microcontroller based, real-time battery indicator, high CRI for real colors, and with removable diffusers. There are 2 diffusers in here. Now let's open this box and show you what's inside. And there you go. This is what the LED light looks like. These are the barn doors. It comes with this reflective surface. Underneath there's a reflective surface, and this is obviously black. And not just that, these are your settings. There's an on-off button over here, knob rather. This is what you use to control. This is for controlling the 3200 Kelvin light source, and this is for controlling the 5600 Kelvin light source. And the battery goes in over here. Let's put the battery in and see if it works. There you go. Yes, it works absolutely fine. Both the 56, I'll reduce the brightness first, it's too bright. And there you go. Notice this is the 3200 Kelvin, this is the 3200 Kelvin knob, and this is the 5600 Kelvin knob. This is the cool color temperature, and this is the warm color temperature. And yeah, that's about it. Notice that there are these LED signs over here that tells you that the battery is in full charge right now. There you go. This battery has 100% charge right now. Not just that, it comes with this horseshoe mount over here as well. This is basically what you'll put on top of the tripod. Finally, you have these 2 diffuser plates. Let me just show them to you. There are 2 of them over here. Okay, no, there is 1 diffuser plate. It said 2, which is weird, but there is 1 of them. I think 1 is already attached, so you can use this to diffuse the light over here like this. it goes in over here. One diffuser is already here. So you notice this is one of the diffusers. Let's just pull it out. Now you can see the light bulbs as well. One second, let me just turn it down. Notice these are your 528 light bulbs. They're numbered as well, and these are the 2 diffuser plates that comes with this pack. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Osaka OS 528 Slim Pro LED video light combo. Thank you for watching.